Volcanoes are formed through a geological process that involves the movement of tectonic plates, which are large, rigid slabs of Earth's crust and upper mantle. When these plates move apart or collide, they can create conditions that lead to the formation of volcanoes. 1. Subduction. One common way that volcanoes form is through a process called subduction, which occurs when one tectonic plate is forced beneath another in a process known as a subduction zone. As the oceanic plate sinks into the mantle, it begins to melt due to the high temperature and pressure, and the melted rock, known as magma, rises through the overlying plate and eventually reaches the surface, erupting as a volcano. 2. Divergent boundaries. Another way volcanoes can form is at divergent plate boundaries, where two tectonic plates move apart. As the plates separate, magma from the mantle rises up to fill the gap, creating new crust and forming a volcano in the process. This type of volcano is often found along mid-ocean ridges, where new crust is being formed. 3. Hotspots. Volcanoes can also form over hotspots, which are areas of exceptionally hot mantle plumes that rise up from deep within the Earth's mantle, irrespective of tectonic plate boundaries. As the hot mantle material reaches the surface, it can melt and form magma, which then erupts as a volcano. Over time, as tectonic plates move, the volcano remains in place, while new volcanoes can form as the plate continues to move over the stationary hotspot. 4. Continental rifts. Rift zones or continental rifts, where continents are splitting apart, can also result in the formation of volcanoes. As the continental crust stretches and thins, magma can rise up and create a volcano at the surface. It's important to note that the process of volcanic formation can take millions of years, and not all mountains are volcanoes. While mountains can be associated with volcanic activity, not all mountains have volcanic origins, as they can also be formed through other geological processes such as erosion, uplift, and folding.